Hello, welcome to Mastering Fraction Lesson 12. My name is Walter, and today we are going to do subtracting mixed numbers with regrouping or borrowing. Let's go straight to question number 1. We have 3, 1 over 4, take away 1, 3 over 4. We have the same denominator, but when we look for the fraction part, it is not possible to take 1 over 4, take away 3 over 4. So what we're going to do, we are going to borrow 1 from 3 and enlarge this fraction here so as to be possible to take away 3 over 4. Now let's see how we can enlarge 1 out of 4 by borrowing 1 from 3. We have 3, 1 over 4, but this is the same as borrow 1 from 3 is going to remain 2 plus 1 over 4. But I'm going to make this 1 as 4 over 4. So I have 2 plus 4 over 4 plus 1 over 4. This is going to be 2 whole number, but 4 over 4 plus 1 over 4, I'm going to take 4 plus 1, which is going to be 5, over same denominator, 4. So now already 5 over 4 can take away 3 over 4. As we have seen already, 3, 1 over 4 is the same as 2, 5 over 4. Now we are going to take away 1, 3 over 4. Now at this stage, we are going to take the whole number, take away whole number, and a fraction with the fraction. That's what we're going to do. The denominator is going to be the same 4. Now we'll take the numerator, take away numerator. That is 5, take away 3. This will be equal to 2 take away 1 will remain with 1 whole number. 5 take away 3 will remain with 2 over 4. But we can simplify this answer here. By 2 we get 1, by 2 we get 2. So our answer will be equal to 1.5. Let's go to question number 2. We have 7, 1 over 8, take away 2, 5 over 8. Here we are going to take the whole number, take away whole number, and fraction, take away fraction. But when we look to the fraction part, 1 over 8, you can't take away 5 over 8. So what we're going to do, we are going to borrow 1 from 7 and enlarge this 1 over 8 so as to be possible to take away 5 over 8. 7, 1 over 8, this is the same as, I borrow 1 from 7, going to remain 6, and the one I borrow is the same as 8 over 8, then I'm going to add with 1 over 8, which now I'm going to get 6, 8 plus 1 is going to be 9 over 8. So this 6, 9 over 8, it is possible now to take away 2, 5 over 8 because already I enlarged this fraction here. This is going to be equal to 7, 1 over 8 is the same as 6, 9 over 8, take away 2, 5 over 8. This is equal to the whole number, take away whole number, is going to be 6, take away 2. I'm going to remain with 4. The denominator is going to be the same 8, so over 8 here. Numerator, I'm going to take 9, take away 5, which I'm going to get 4. It is possible to simplify this one, so by 4, 1, by 4, we got 2. Our final answer is going to be 4.5. Let's go to question number 3. We have 14, 2 over 8, take away 7, 5 over 8. The same, we're going to take whole number, take away whole number, and a fraction, take away fraction. But 2 over 8 is too small. We can't take away 5 over 8. So what we're going to do, we're going to borrow 1 from 14 so as to enlarge 2 over 8 to be possible to take away 5 over 8. This will be equal to, I borrow 1 from 14, I'm going to remain with 13. So I have 13. The one that I borrow is the same as 8. I'll plus with 2, I'm going to get 10. So I have 10 over 8. Then take away 7, 5 over 8. This is equal to 13 take away 7, we remain with 6. 10 take away 5, we remain with 5 over 8. But we can't simplify further this fraction here. So our answer is 6, 5 over 8. Let's finish the last question. Number 4. We have 4, 2 over 5, take away 2, 3 over 5. The same, we are going to take the whole number, take away whole number. That is 4, take away 2. And fraction, take away fraction. That is 2 over 5, take away 3 over 5. But when we look properly here, 2 over 5, take away 3 over 5, it is impossible. So what we're going to do, we are going to borrow 1 from 4 to enlarge 2 over 5 so as to be possible to take away 3 over 5. So this will be equal to, so I'm going to borrow 1 from 4, it's going to remain 3. 1 that I borrow is the same as 5. I will add with 2, I'm going to get 7 over 5. Then take away 2, 3 over 5. Now you can see it is possible to take away 7 over 5, take away 3 over 5. Now straight we are going to take away the whole number, take away whole number. That is 3, take away 2. We are going to remain with 1. The denominator is going to remain the same 5. We'll take 7, take away 3. We're going to remain with 4. So we can't simplify further this answer here. Our answer will remain as 1, 4 over 5. Hope you understand how to subtract mixed number with regrouping, where we are going to borrow 1 from the whole number to make the fraction bigger so as to be possible to take away the other fraction. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.